Hi, you're watching The Savera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today, Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora turned up over here at Halwara Airport to inspect the working. And some industrialists have also come up here at Halwara Airport to see the airport, the works over here. So we will try to talk to some of the industrialists. So, Rajesh ji, today Halwara Airport is almost ready. You are an exporter, so how it is going to give boost to the industry?
There is a saying among the travelers, you can travel from anywhere in the world to Delhi, it's not very difficult. Once you reach Delhi to Ludhiana, it's the toughest job. So that thing has been now easy, it is easy now. Networking will increase, connectivity will increase, business will increase, a lot of goods can be airlifted from here gradually within the coming few years. Overall, it is going to be a game changer for the this belt of Punjab.
Sir, earlier Sanewal Airport was also started, but it couldn't remain that successful. Do you expect that this Halwara Airport will solve the purpose?
This is a proper airport has been built. Before it was just what do you call that makeshift of it was just a namesake airport. Now it's a proper airport, I can say.
So it is going to be a benefit for Punjab, Ludhiana, and as well as the industry sector. If we
Maybe
say.
after a few years, we see something like Chandigarh, whatever has happened in Mohali, Chandigarh, same may happen here also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So there were some industrialists from Ludhiana who have come up here at Halwara Airport to see the development, and they have appreciated the efforts of Rajya Sabha MP Sanjeev Arora. So you are watching The Savera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.